If you've ever wanted to connect your Telegram channel directly with your YouTube channel, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to add your Telegram channel link to your YouTube profile, so your audience can easily find and join your Telegram community. By the end of this video, you'll have two powerful platforms working together to grow and engage your audience. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Telegram app and head to the channel you want to link. If you have multiple channels, just make sure you're selecting the right one for your content or community. Once you're inside your Telegram channel, you'll need to locate the channel link. It should be at the top of the channel's info page, usually starts with TME followed by your channel's name. If you don't see it right away, look for your channel's profile or settings. Sometimes there's a share or invite via link option that displays the channel's URL. Go ahead and copy this link to your clipboard. Think of this as grabbing your Telegram address. This is what you'll give people so they can walk straight into your channel. Now let's switch over to YouTube. If you're on your computer, this will be easiest, but you can also use the mobile browser if needed. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. This is the little circle with your picture or your initials. From the drop-down, select YouTube Studio. This area is like mission control for your channel and where you can change all sorts of settings. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look on the left side and click on Customization. This is where you can make your channel look and feel just right for your viewers and where you can add your Telegram link. Next, scroll to the Basic Info tab. Here you'll see an area for links. These are the links that show up on your YouTube channel's banner, the front page where people discover more about you. Click Add Link. A small box will pop up asking for a title and a URL. For the title, type in Telegram so your viewers know exactly what this link is for. In the URL field, paste your Telegram channel link, the one you copied earlier. If you want, you can add a short description, but it's optional. The important thing is the title is clear and the link works. Now, before you hit publish, take a quick moment to double-check the link. You don't want any typos or missing letters. Just imagine someone trying to visit your channel and landing on an error page. If it's all good, click Publish at the top right. YouTube will save your changes, and within seconds, your Telegram channel link will show up on your main channel page under the Links section. It's like putting up a signpost that leads your YouTube viewers straight to your Telegram community. And that's it. Your Telegram channel is now connected to your YouTube channel. You've just made it easier for your audience to follow you across platforms and stay connected with all your latest updates. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button and share your experience or any questions down in the comments. I always love reading your feedback and helping out if you get stuck. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.